everyone, welcome back to another video here on Dunk's Money. Now before we jump into the main video for today, just a quick introduction for those of you who are new to the channel. So I am Dunk and I am a Scottish investor and trader, although I'm more of an investor than I am a trader. More of a long-term value investor, but I do enjoy trading if the opportunity arises. Just a bit more information about me. I am more of a fundamentalist as opposed to technical trader, although I can read charts and I do have a knowledge of both. So being a fundamentalist, meaning that basically I look more at the core business numbers before I purchase any sort of stock or share, which a stock and a share are the same thing, just for your information. Now what I tend to do on YouTube is I post videos of me buying and selling stocks and shares, and the reason I do that is because when I started off investing and trading a few years ago now, I did myself find it very confusing, and the jargon, I just couldn't get my head around it, and I decided to create a YouTube channel and become a YouTuber and create my own videos with a name of making investing and trading easier and more simple to understand for folk who are new to it. So that is the reason for the YouTube channel, and I do post videos each week, like I say, of me investing or trading and other sort of financial money matters. So it's a really fun hobby of mine, and I really do enjoy creating these little videos, and I hope you enjoy them as much as I do creating them. Now, just for your info guys, in the description below this video, you'll see I've put links up to apps that I use, trading apps or money apps, and I think they're really good little apps, and I do enjoy them. And just for your info, if you sign up to Trading212 using that code below, we both get a free share. I'm not here in a hard sell at all. It's up to you if you go through the app, the code. If you do, we both get a free share, and it's a free code that everyone gets when they sign up to Trading212. And it's up to you. You might use a different broker. That's up to you. And also guys, you'll see below a list of books. Now these are books just like these ones here, really handy books that I think are great to have in your arsenal as a beginner investor or trader. It's really important, I think, in my opinion, to have books that are ready, reference books that you can refer to at any time if you get a bit confused or need a bit more information about something. And you really can't put a price on having too many books. I've got quite a collection now, but I do enjoy my books. So feel free to have a look at my list of what I use, and you might find books that are even better. And if so, let me know in the comments. I'm always keen to learn what books are out there and what people are finding really useful. Yeah, so check out the books. And just a quick disclaimer as well, guys. Any stocks or shares or any other matter that I'm discussing on the channel is purely my opinion. Now remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and in any video that I do, I'm not advising that you buy into it. Remember that you can lose all of your investments. And any money that you put into investing or trading, you can lose it all. It can go up, but it can also go down. So please do your own due diligence before making any sort of purchase, investment or trade, and always do your own checks. Make sure you're comfortable with it and that you feel happy to proceed with it. And like I say, I'm not a financial advisor. So without any further ado, I really hope you enjoy this next video and that it brings you some value. So why don't you go and get a cup of tea, or a cup of coffee, or a Horlicks, or an Ovaltine, or a hot chocolate, whatever floats your boat, and sit back and enjoy this video. Remember to subscribe for all my videos as they come out, and if you've liked it, please hit like so that I know I'm going in the right direction. And feel free to comment and let me know what you think. So enjoy. Hello money friends, hello YouTubers, welcome back to another episode here on Dunk's Money with me, Dunk. Now as always, if you are a subscriber to the channel, thank you very much for subscribing, and if you're new, welcome. So just today I'm going to do a quick wee video, as I think this will be quite useful for a lot of you new sort of folk out there guys. And today we're going to talk about how dividends are paid on the app Trading212. Now I'll be honest with you, if I wasn't used to this, I'd probably wonder myself, how does an online app pay me dividends for shares that I own? I have had quite a few DMs about dividends on Trading212. One person even asking me, do they send you a check in the post? No, Trading212, it's better than that. They actually will transfer the dividends straight into your account on the app. So as we know, dividends are paid by most large companies, and a dividend is almost a way of the company saying thank you to the shareholders. At the end of the day, the directors and the board of directors are held accountable by us shareholders, and to recognise that they pay us in dividends. Now remember guys, if it's a UK company, they'll pay your total dividend twice a year. So you get half the total one part of the year, the other half the next. And if it's American, it's normally every quarter that they'll pay the total dividend. And that's just down to different financial reporting mechanisms and times. So on Trading212, if you own a stock or a share, same thing, which pays you a dividend, you will get a notification on your phone that will say the dividend has been paid out. Now the dividend will go straight into your free funds. So for example, and we'll show you an example on my app where I got paid a whopping, now guys, brace yourself here, I got paid a whopping 66 pence in dividends by Royal Dutch Shell Class A. Oh, the Class A, that's the Dutch withholding tax. I should have bought RDSB. Anyway, never mind, these things happen. But I got paid 66 pence in dividends yesterday. So if I had £5 in my free funds, I will now have £5.66. So the dividends go straight into your free funds. Just to clear that up, because I'm noticing a lot of folk asking, and online on Google there's a lot of confusion between folk as to where the dividend gets paid. So unless you've got a drip thing, like a dividend reinvestment thing set up, it'll go straight into your free funds. I don't know how drip works on Trading212. I don't use it. If they have that function, I'm not sure. But your dividend will go straight into your free funds. And with everything on Trading212, if you go into your notifications or history, you can click on dividends. You'll see all your dividends listed. So they go straight into your free funds, and it's very, very simple. No more checks in the post and having to take them to the bank. That's what I love about Trading212. It's very, very straightforward. Unlike the olden days, where you had to phone up a company to buy the shares and they sent you dividends. Check. Let's jump in the Trading212 app very quickly, and we'll look at the dividends. Welcome into the Trading212 app. I'm just going to show you very quickly how you can see your dividends. So in the bottom right corner here, your three lines there, click on there. That'll bring you into the kind of this section of the app here. All you have to do is go into your history, dividends, and there you will see your dividends. And I got paid a whopping 66 pence, and I'm going to go and treat myself to a Lamborghini. But that is it, very simple guys, and your dividends get added straight into your free funds. So very, very straightforward indeed. No more waiting for checks in the post. So 66 pence was what I got, as it was 11 pence a share and I've got only 6 shares. So anyway, hope you guys are all doing well with your investing. Let me know how you're getting on, whether you're investing or trading. I'm always keen to hear more. And I do enjoy making these little videos. I've got more videos coming out soon, guys. I have been buying lots of shares. I just haven't had time to put the videos out recently. I've been busy with other sort of things. But no, I'll have videos coming out soon. And as always, if you've enjoyed this, maybe hit like, that'd be great, please. Let me know what you think and subscribe if you haven't already. And take care, stay safe, and enjoy investing and trading. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that video that I put there for you guys. I really enjoy making these videos and bringing them to you. Now remember that anything I discuss in the video is purely my opinion, and you always must do your own checks. Don't take what I tell you as an instruction to make any sort of purchase. Always do your checks, guys. It's really important. Remember, you can also follow me on Instagram. Link is below in the description. Remember to hit subscribe so that you get all my videos as they come out. And if you've enjoyed this video, please smash the like button just so I know I'm going in the right direction. And feel free to comment and let me know what you think. It's always good, and I'm so glad to see so many folk now engaging with the channel. And remember, stay safe and enjoy trading and investing.